Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not uninstalling. First, let's try the standard method. Navigate to your computer settings, usually found under Apps and Features, or Add or Remove Programs. Find Roblox in the list of installed applications. Click on it and select Uninstall. Follow any prompts that appear to complete the process. This is often the quickest solution if it works correctly. If the standard uninstall doesn't fully remove Roblox, we'll need to manually delete its remaining files. Open File Explorer and go to your user's App Data folder. You'll find this by typing %appdata% into the address bar. Delete the Roblox folder from both the local and roaming subfolders. Also, check your program files, x86, directory for any leftover Roblox folders and remove them. Next, we'll tackle the registry entries. This step requires caution. Open the registry editor by typing regedit in the Windows search bar. Navigate to H-key current user and H-key local machine under the software key. Look for and delete any folders specifically named Roblox or entries clearly related to it. Be very careful not to delete anything else, as this can affect your system's stability. Finally, if you're still having trouble, a third-party uninstaller tool can be incredibly helpful. Programs like Revo Uninstaller or iObit Uninstaller are designed to thoroughly remove applications and their leftover files and registry entries. Download and install a trusted tool, then use it to scan for and completely remove Roblox. This often provides the most comprehensive cleanup, ensuring no traces remain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.